What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Elise, and I am the Amazon reviewer, the wig connoisseur, back with another banging wig review. The wig I will be reviewing today is the wig on my head. It is a 13 by 4 by 1 inch T-part wig. So if you would like to see how I slayed this bad boy onto my head, keep watching. And if you are new here, please remember to subscribe for good vibes and hit that post notification bell. All right, let's get into the video. I don't know about y'all, but I love when companies package their wigs in these cute silk bags. They are so royal. This is the wig, and finally they understand that I need a brown wig cap. Thank you. It came with 3D lashes, which I will be applying when I put the wig on. And this is a 10-inch bob, so it should not go past my shoulders. Okay, the most important part of the wig is this part. Because it's a T part and it's only an inch in width, it's super skinny. So I will definitely need to be customizing it, and look how thick the hairline is. We'll be plucking that. This is what the actual T part looks like, literally like a T, an inch wide, and the closure at the front is about an inch until you get to the hairline, and it goes from ear to ear. Now the part does extend 5 inches back, so that's pretty deep considering how skinny it is, and then you can see the standard clips and adjustable straps. My initial thoughts is, this looks like a Halloween wig. It's definitely gonna need some work. Look at the hairline, it is so thick. So I don't really pluck my wigs, but this is definitely one I will be trying. So I tried out the bald cap method for the first time. I don't know, I just felt like this wig definitely needed that, and not too bad for my first time. And here are the lashes. I think they're actually gorgeous. These are the best lashes I've ever had in a wig package. This is what I've been able to pluck, the before and the after. I think thinning the hairline and widening the part definitely made a significant difference in this wig. It no longer looks like a horror story. All right, and now it's time to apply the wig. I don't know if you noticed at the beginning of the video how thick the lace was. It covered my eyes, so I'm cutting it down the middle so I can cut it in half and see it better when I put it on my head. In order to cut the rest of the lace off, I clip the front of the hairs back so I can see the hairline better. Using the initial slit I made in the lace, I cut from the part all the way to the ear. And honestly, this wig was not the easiest to cut with on. Usually I make slits along the lace to make the cut more precise, but for this wig, I ended up taking it off and cutting the rest of the lace off. Okay, wow, the wig looks 10 times better when the lace is off. And y'all, look. We're looking more natural. Okay, sis. Honestly, look at the difference between how it came out the package versus how I was able to customize it and make it look more natural. A much more appealing wig. Okay. And this is the finished look. All right, so my thoughts. This T-part wig is a lot cuter than I thought. I was very hesitant to even put it in the cart because it said 13 by 4 by 1 inch. So I'm thinking, oh, I'm about to get a lace closure. And then I look closely and I see the inside of the wig, and I am a little turned off because I hate these little 1 inch parts, but I think I did the thing, you know what I mean? So I did do a little customization. I plucked the middle of it and the hairline, just so if I wanted to like go like that, it wouldn't look so crazy. I do think I need to either put some spray on or put some foundation just to clean it up, to make it look a little... Usually I'm against putting makeup on lace because I feel like in the long run it will wear your wig before it's ready, but I felt that this was necessary. So I just brushed a little of my BB cream onto the edges of the wig right at the hairline, and it really made a difference. If I'm being honest, I feel like I'm gonna put concealer in the middle of it, and I might just put makeup on my wigs more often. Okay, so I did pluck the front a little bit to make it look a little natural, a little more natural, and put a tad bit foundation under the lace. And then I decided to keep the part light. I don't know, I just kind of feel like your scalp is a little lighter than your skin. I just like the way it looked. I feel like leaving the part or not coloring the part makes the wig really stand out on my head. I don't know, I just like it this way. But yeah, I am really pleased. This hair took very well to heat. I did flat iron this before I put it on my head and before I cut the lace. The lace was like huge, like it literally covered my eyes. I don't think that was necessary. But yeah, all in all, this wig is beautiful. It is, I'm stunned that this bob came out the way it did, just in time for fall and winter. As you guys saw, I did try the ball cap method for the first time. I did that off camera. I did the customization off camera. I did everything off camera because I did not want that pressure of not messing up. And I wanted to take my time while doing it. So now that I've tried it once, let me try it a couple more times, and then I will make a video on how I customize wigs as well as how I do the ball cap method. For me, a beginner who really does not do that much for her wigs, I like to pride myself in being real simple with wig applications, because you don't need to be doing ball cap methods or foundation on your laces or plucking to make your wig look decent. All the wigs that I've done reviews on thus far, I've done nothing to them except maybe play with the baby hairs. So this was the first, and I felt that it was necessary because you guys saw what the wig looked like before I put it on my head. So yes, this is the finished product. I will link the wig down below in the description box, as well as the stats for the wig. This is cute. Ooh, I feel fall time fine. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.